So this is Power BI demo. There are two demo classes. And first demo, this is the content. 20 minutes I'll explain about introduction. And next 40 minutes, types of data, types of IT applications, BI applications, MS BI versus Power BI versus Azure BI. What is Microsoft Fabric, Power BI components, Power BI concepts. Next, tomorrow second demo. First 10 minutes recap of the first demo, followed by Power BI components, concepts, example, end-to-end flow. There are two sessions, today and tomorrow. And I will explain this part now. Kindly focus. So I will not type in a notepad, and you guys no need to type anything. You will get the video, you will get the documents. Simply listen to it and enjoy the session. I will go with a good presentation. Listen to it and enjoy. Do not write anything, online people. We are in the era of artificial intelligence, advanced data analytics. Next. Coming to Power BI demo. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And these are my call timings in case you want to call 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm working as a senior lead consultant. Training type, basics to advanced. And duration, 50 to 60 hours. And daily training is 1 hour. After the training, you will receive video, material, everything. Monday to Friday classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays, you are having classes. Class mode, online and offline, both available. So this is a duration. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions. Monthly 2 Saturdays, you are having sessions. Online, offline available. And online people, please do not use your mobile phones and tabs during the session. You lose your interest and focus. You miss important session. And whatever I'm giving is really important. Whatever I'm giving is really important. Listen to it. You will not get in YouTube and many online trainers, even offline trainers. Very valuable content I'm going to give you today. Listen to it. From institution side, we provide daily videos. And the videos you will receive till 1.5 years. Sorry, the videos access provided till 1.5 years. Communication, WhatsApp, Gmail, and multiple medias. And materials theory, materials practical, FAQs and mock interviews. FAQs and mock interviews. And the tabular cube session for 1 hour. SQL sessions for 4 hours. I will cover for 4 hours SQL classes. So what is SQL? I'll tell you. It's a database language. There are 9 topics. The 9 topics are important. You need to learn. So learn from this institute or outside your wish. But my 4 hours to let you know how do we come to database, what type of operations we perform. Within 4 hours, it's not possible to cover complete SQL. So learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics. And I'll give you 2 near real-time projects. Projects 2. I'll give you multiple case studies. So this is what Institute provides. Video sharing, communication, material theory, practical, mock interviews, tabular cube classes for 1 hour, SQL sessions for 4 hours, 2 projects, near real-time, multiple case studies. More and more practical training. And my training objective, real-time working perspective. In case you want to work in the real-time, yes. Interview suitable. You want to prepare for interviews, your FAQs and all I'm covering suitable. PL 300 examination, it is a Power BI examination that I will cover. In worst situation, you're a senior resource, you want to develop your own reports. Yes, you can develop your own reports. more practical oriented sessions I'm going to take, except today. So you can develop your own reports. This is my training objective. Now, general FAQs. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate can learn Power BI. No restriction in that. And what type of component is Power BI? It's a low-code component and GUI component. Less code we write. It's a fully graphical user interface component. And what you can use Power BI in these roles, in these areas. Technically, you want to try as a report developer or BA developer, you can try. Techno-functional, you want to try data analyst, business analyst, tech and functional. So I want to use in other areas. Yeah, data scientist role also you can try, but here Power BI required, machine learning required, Python required, etc. Multiple. Some people for data analyst also they're asking Python. Very few people, but mostly Python is required for data science operations. So these are the areas Power BI is strongly used. So your interest, technical resource you want to try, or business and technical resource you want to try, or data scientist role you are trying. And I'm having these batches 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. 10 a.m. no, not available. So these are batches available. The current batch is 8 a.m. Today and tomorrow demo classes, and Friday onwards regular classes at 8 o'clock. Any question from anyone? Online, offline people? My training details, what we provide, everything explained. Guys, if in case you want to talk about your personal profile, kindly call me on my number. I'll discuss with you your personal profile and give you proper guidance. Yeah, regarding demo and the content, what I'm showing, ask your questions, please. Yeah. Online people, take your mic and ask.
Sir, paying something in the chat.
Pardon?
I'm looking for evening batch at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. When would the fresh batch would start?
It takes a while, sir. My reception team will let you know, sir.
Sure.
What it decided. Right, sir. So, what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. Project environment, concepts and components. The course is for 2 months, and the first part is this part, environmental concepts. But I will explain this in the middle of the sessions. Data warehousing fundamental, data model fundamental, Agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These come under environment fundamentals. Since we're entering into data warehousing industry, and non-IT people don't feel panic what trainer is explaining. I want to give proper content which is helpful to work in the real time and appear for interviews. So technical words I need to use, I will use it. It's impossible to learn a course with simple terms and simple practice. If you feel like, yeah, why trainer is not explaining very basics, yeah, I will explain basics in the regular class. But demo level, I need to tolerate everyone, beginners to experience. I need to give complete understanding, a proper understanding about your environment. So please bear for today, and tomorrow onwards we'll enjoy it. So this is the environment you join. So environment knowledge is mandatory. I will cover all this part. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies I will cover. More and more. Case study means practical cases. So practicals more. A scenario, simply scenario. I will take multiple scenarios and explain how to implement it in a real-time fashion. And database in SQL. In real time, you may work with databases because maximum companies storing data in databases. How to bring the data and show in Power BI, you are supposed to learn. I will explain in detail. Pardon? Which SQL, sir, SQL server. SQL Server, MSB Tabular Cubes.
Sir, one request, is there any chance to turn off videos from your side? Can you please
My
turn
video?
off all- not your others one.
So who turned
Other
on it?
one.
Okay, I will turn off them.
Yeah.
Is it okay, guys?
Yeah. Because of we losing the focus, so the people are walking.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Right, sir. Now, MSB Tablet Cube for 2 hours. In case you are preparing for job, resume preparation is compulsory. FAQs are needed. Yeah, both I will provide you. And mock interviews I will conduct. Sir, what about actual interviews? So we tied up with a couple of companies. Even companies approach us very frequently. Since 2 months, I'm able to see companies visiting us, taking the candidates. So we will inform you. It's purely based on your luck. Even there are some odd times as well. So now Power BI subject. Coming to Power BI, cloud available, on-premises available. Both I'm going to cover. Cloud components. These are the cloud components. Power BI desktop and Power BI service. On-premises components. These are the components on-premises level available. Report server desktop, report server, report builder. And you are supposed to learn Power Apps. I'll give a session for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours. So this complete part I'm covering for 2 months. Real-time environment and Power BI subject, cloud and on-premises. And I don't have any fast track training, a 10 days training. So we will give wonderful detailed training that is suitable for your job market as well as to survive properly in the companies. Any kind of project you are suitable, we will learn the course in this way. Power BI in-depth I'm going to give you. Online people who just join, kindly provide your email ID. Online people who just join, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number. Right.
Can we add these projects into resume?
Yes, you can add, sir. The projects you can add by changing client name and slightly in the responsibilities level. And many people do that.
Hi Vinay, for online city, right? So what is the timings for lab if we want to come to your
Morning
place?
7 to till 9 o'clock, institute opens.
Okay.
Right.
And,
Institute provide. Yes, sir. So give me 5
Yeah,
minutes. I will open for your questions.
yeah, sure.
So Institute provides good theory and practical material and daily live class videos. And the training is complete practical into training. And resume preparation sessions we will conduct mandatory. And you will be having good interaction with me during the class and after the class. And WhatsApp group is created for your technical questions, concerns, communication. FAQ is also discussed. So usually a student require all these things, and a professional way, you will get all these things. Now, you want to try after this training as a technical resource. I'm talking about technical. If you learn technical level, functional and all, happily you can work on it. You learn Power BI in detail from me. Then below 5 years experience, these are the opportunities available. Power BI developer, DAX and SQL. It's a language of Power BI. So it's a language available in Power BI for modeling and analysis. The language name is DAX, Data Analysis Expressions. Simply calculation language. And because of this, only Power BI called as a low code. Otherwise, it's a fully graphical user interface. Your company doing some business operations and different calculations. Who will write the formulas for you? You need to write it. Microsoft cannot give you graphical formulas for those. So that time we need to write little code, and that too only functions. No need to write any programming part. Easily you can do it. If anyone having Excel knowledge, the Excel functions, compared to Excel functions, simple functions available in Power BI in the DAX language. And I will cover these two in detail in SQL for 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn wherever you want to learn SQL strongly. Prioritize 9 topics. There are 9 topics suitable to work in the companies. I will give you the list of 9 topics. Have good understanding. 90% opportunities, 2 to 10 years, 90% Power BI plus SQL nowadays. 90% opportunities.
Sorry for interruption.
So give me
SQL
5 minutes.
Server.
Sir, give me 5
Yeah.
minutes. I will open for everyone's question. Next one. Power BI support resource you can try. Yes, I will tell you what exactly a support resource does in the real time. Admin. 90% admin part covered in this institute. 90%. So these three dedicatedly with respect to Power BI. But Power BI developer and SQL more opportunities. The best combination. Technical side or business functional side you want to try, both the side helpful. And combination, some people learning MSBA and then Power BI. MSBA components, Power BI. Some people Tableau, ClickView and Power BI. Some people Azure and Power BI. ADF Data Lake, Synapse, Databricks and Power BI. You can ask me, sir, I want to go with combination. My friend recommended me. Or I'm having 10 years experience. I want to learn one more component. Which one is best for me and suitable for me? That I will tell you now. Wait till end of the day or end of the session. I will tell you what is the best combination in case you want to learn. Otherwise, this is sufficient. More opportunities on this sufficient. This I will cover. And this also I will cover for 4 hours, but learn little more. So below 5 years of Power BI experience, these are opportunities available in the market. Next, sir, I am a senior resource. I want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI. Possible. Power BI modeler, Power BI designer, Power BI specialist, Power BI architect. These roles available. But no, 1 or 2 projects end-to-end implementation knowledge is required. Without having 1 or 2 projects end-to-end implementation knowledge, we cannot try for the opportunities. Okay. Yes. Now ask your question, sir. Online, offline people on the screen.
Yeah, thanks for we need to parallelly we can start SQL Server now, or we need to wait for some
No,
time
not required,
after.
sir.
Okay.
Not required. SQL Server, no need to learn now. I'll give you
Okay.
some understanding. Later you can start up, or if you have enough time, you can parallel start up, but not
Yeah.
needed now.
Okay. Oh.
Power BI does not have any prerequisite. Any graduate can start up directly without any IT knowledge as well.
Sir, it also provides cloud computing features. Power BI.
Pardon?
Cloud computing.
Yes. Right, sir. Coming to materials and videos. Just take a 5 PM batch, which was recently completed. For every batch, starting day onwards, videos available. First day, first demo, second demo, third. And if you see this case study, immediately I started. After 5th session, I started case study and cloud practice, Power BI cloud. The case studies immediately, my more attention on case studies, real-time topics, see case study, and then the subject. This is a pattern. DAX sessions. DAX is a language. Around 10 to 12 sessions I connected, 14 sessions for them. With materials and resume preparation sessions. Interview guidance. Project 1, project 2, 2 projects. Interview level people ask, tell me some complex task you created. Yeah, this is the area you see complex tasks for interview. Power Apps, Power Automate. Whatever I commit, the same thing I stand by. And you will get a checklist because you're all professionals. You need in a systematic way. So this is the checklist. Next 2 months, what we're going to discuss. This checklist, you open always, all topics area, one by one. First demos, yes. One by one, topic completed, yes. Case studies, real-time part. And Power BI subject level. And you heard about Power Query or Power Pivot. Then Power Query level, what I'm going to cover. Just go here, click on Power Query, what I'm going to cover. If it is done, I will mention yes, 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 yes. So this is the subject I'm going to cover. I will place today in your drive level. You all will get drive access today. There you find like this folder and checklist, today's video. Kindly look into. Whatever earlier I shown in the PPT level screenshot, that is high level. But in detail, checklist is this. Interview guidance topics are this. So all materials you will get, all videos you get, everything. Whether you are offline or online, no matter, you get all these things. Same folder access and 1.5 year access you will get. Okay, done sir. This is successfully completed. And coming to communication and support. Guys, for every batch, we create a folder. And once the class is completed, we will give a message like this. So video plays for so and so. Every day, what is the topic I covered? I will give you clear information. And people like live sessions here. We conduct live sessions as well. So you guys going to practice along with me. For example, 7 a.m. July online. See, students will ask like this. Sir, please send the PPT on Saturday documents. It will be helpful for us for practice, live practice. So we conduct live practice. So you can practice along with me. And coming to companies and opportunities, we inform opportunities as well. When companies approach us, we inform. So there also yesterday only informed. And today, 1 week ago, again, one more opportunity. This internship opportunity, and this is the one. And this is a link where people will get opportunities. For a new opportunity, one company. And this was Capgemini, yesterday, August 6th, posted. 3 to 4 years experience in this one. So we'll place here. If the companies approach us, we'll place. We'll not copy paste from Google or Naukri or LinkedIn. And companies will ask like this. So yesterday's one, yesterday company. They provided their email ID. And to share resumes, corporate companies. So we are hiring, please share your resumes. This is about opportunities. And next one coming to jobs. Many people. So grateful for the trainings. Hi Vinessa, this is Lalita, I'm your student. Power BI 2004 March batch. I have added Power BI resume and updated in Naukri. So she got job actually. Will be joining on 24th.
As a fresher, right?
No experienced. And we say this person, if you see this. So thanks for all your support recently, July month. I got 3 more offers, HCL Capgemini 3, but I need to join on Monday. So I can't make it to meet you. Even yesterday when I posted one opportunity to one girl, she said I already selected and joined on August 1st. I informed her about job opportunity yesterday. And she said, I already joined Accenture and 1st of June. Was it not a sign? So and she mentioned, thank you so much, sir. Thanks for guiding me. Thanks a lot. Your sessions were so helpful. So very brief, sufficient. This kind of communication we have with the students. So in our demo level, there are two parts. First part is introduction about institution, myself, content. And the second part is this part. I'm going to start the second part. Types of data, IP applications. This is very important. If you're new or already having some subject in IT, this information highly helpful for you. Don't consider as basics, and you will not get in online, YouTube, and many places. And without knowing this, if you start your BI or Power BI, meaningless. Listen to it thoroughly, read it also after the session to gain and grab more knowledge. First, this understanding mandatory. Anyway, practicals we do very detailed level. But without this, it's not possible. You need to know. Right, I'm open for questions. Kindly ask your questions before I start my next part. Online, offline people, any questions you want to ask?
Yeah, Vinay.
Yes, sir. I have one thing.
Yes, please.
In we are fetching the data from SSAS also, right? While training this.
Yes,
So you will design the SS, cubes and all. SSAS complete session you will
only
conduct.
1 hour. Only 1 hour.
1 hour. Oh,
But we don't have time actually.
not,
We'll not get time.
not the now, but actually.
In the regular class also,
Hello.
sir, we'll not get time. That's the reason SSAS planned for 1 hour. But I will provide the videos for 3 hours.
Okay, for design the
Hello.
cubes or any other.
Pardon? Yeah, design the cube only. Creating a cube. But the 1 hour, I don't think so greatly I can cover SSAS.
Okay.
If
Okay.
expecting greatly, then join for SSAS classes in our institute or outside.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir. So who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. And I already provided my contact number. Call me for career guidance, subject doubts, or anything. Thank you. And
Hello.
let me, yes, madam.
So I have just one question. I'm non-IT, not into the IT related. So I just wanted to check whether to start first with Power BI or Power Apps. So I
There's no
wanted to learn both, how it is interrelated. Is it interrelated or not? Also, I'm not sure about it.
No related. They're not related. You
So
can
can
start
we
a,
do
yeah,
the training parallelly?
you can take parallelly. If you're able to accommodate time for practice, you can take parallelly.
If not, which one to go first?
Anything is fine, madam. No dependency.
Okay. Yes, thank you.
Welcome, madam. Right. I'll give you that understanding now. What Power Apps does, what Power BI does. Right. So for your ease of understanding, I'm not typing anything in the notepad or anywhere. We're an advanced cutting edge technology process. So I'm using these presentations. This is all you will get in your drive level today. You can walk through. I'm going to explain next 40 minutes. Till 9:10, the session will continue. 9:10 a.m. Later, QA. This is demo. Today and tomorrow, 8 to 9 a.m. So 8 to 9:10 a.m. From Friday, regular classes, 8 to 9 a.m. sharp. Because I have a batch at 9 o'clock. For data to fabric hierarchy, this is very important. If you're confident, then happily you can start up your career. And what is data? In IT level, anything you are able to store is called data. If you're not able to store, it's not called as a data. If you're able to store, we call it as a data. And there are 3 types of data in available in IT. How many types? 3 types. First one, structured data. Table, Excel, these all come under structured data. See, this is column by column data, so structured. Second one, semi-structured data. JSON, XML, these kind of files will give semi-structured data. Partially structured, this is fully structured, and this will give you partially structured like this. See, university, student ID 1, name John, student name John, age something. Not fully structured like this. So this is called semi-structured. Example, JSON, XML files. Unstructured, your social media data, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents, PDF, Word, these all come under unstructured. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are working with all the types of data nowadays. This is the way, no structure at all. So while working in the real time, you may get structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. I will explain how to retrieve structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. These 3 you must learn. I will cover all the sources, examples, not only files. Now, data storage format in IT. You are keeping your resume in which format? File format. Your daily expenses you want to note down, you keep in file format. And companies, they keep their business data. Take IRCTC, Indian Railway Government website. They keep the data in database. Bookmyshow.com, they keep the data in database. So data storage formats too. One is file format, second one, database format. There are no other storages. Anyone, either file or database. Now, storage areas in IT. First one, on-premise, within the organization storage. Second one, cloud, somebody else's storage. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are daily using on-premises and cloud. We take more pictures, videos, keep in our mobile first, mobile storage. Later we take backup to Google Drive, iCloud, Samsung Cloud, etc. That is a cloud. So this is about data understanding. 3 types of data, 2 types of format, 2 types of storage. All of you clear with the screen? And Power BI is very popular in the market since 2013 because of a slogan. There is a slogan from the Microsoft. Any type of data, any format data, any storage data. It much attracted all the customers with this slogan only. That slogan I explained first. When you read the materials, manuals of Microsoft Power BI, you come across this technology, any type, any storage, any format. Because the first BA application in the market with this feature is Power BI. Next. Next one, IT applications. So many types of IT applications in the market. But importantly, the below 2 you need to understand. I'm not talking about all you need to understand. Importantly, 2. What are those? First one, business running applications. They are called as transactional applications because they give information, transaction success, transaction failed. You're booking a movie ticket. At the end, what you get? A message, success or failed. You did online transfer. What is the message you get? Success or failure. So those applications are called transactional applications. IRCTC, Book My Show. IRCTC, Book My Show, your online cash transfer, they're all come under transactional applications. Technically, OLTP, online transaction processing. Example, IRCTC ticket booking information. PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, etc. And finally, you get a message, transaction success or failure. How does this happen? The business running, first one, general public. They use forms, maybe in the web level, desktop level, mobile level. They use forms, web, desktop, mobile. You want to book a movie ticket, how do you book? Open app, go to web, go to counters. You will get a form, movie name, date, location, show. And then the information stored in a database. Since transaction success or failure, it will keep, we call it as transactional storage. What type of storage? Transactional. This is the first kind of application process you need to know. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are encouraging this every day. GPay, PhonePe, you are doing, you will get a message, transaction success. The information stored in a database. That is transactional database. Now this storage customers want to analyze this storage. So take IRCTC. If it is Tatkal, today in Tatkal, how many trains having highest booking? How many trains having lowest booking? How do they identify? So compulsory, we need a separate process. The process is overlap, analytical process. Since you are going to give decision-making data, people also call it as business intelligence data. What type of data? Business intelligence. We call a person as intelligent when he is able to take decision properly, quickly, right decisions. Then we call him as intelligent. For a business, if you take right decisions, appropriate decisions, that is called BA data. So we need BA process or analytical process. But how? First create analytical storage and then present the information in report or dashboard format. So this is the output. And the report or dashboard management team will use via web, via desktop, via mobile. So this data use BA process, maintain BA analytical storage, analytical data, analytical storage, presented. This is presentation, report or dashboard. So management team will analyze it. Maybe CEO, managers, subject matter experts, data stewards, data scientists, anyone. Nowadays, normal executives also using. So this kind of information, how many train tickets, so how many trains having highest booking, trains having lowest booking, Tatkal versus normal tickets booking, etc. Yeah. Finally, analytical processing, business analysis applications. So this is a process. So day-to-day information, general public, analytical transaction storage, analytical process, analytical storage, presentation. And this is the area you participate. You all guys participate here using Power BI or any tool. And you develop this kind of decision-making data. Yes, ask your questions in this area, online, offline people. OLAP is like a SQL. No, OLAP is not a SQL, analytical processing. Online analytical processing. There's no relation between SQL and this. That means cloud. Why are you going for different terminology? I'm talking about just process, OLAP process, analytical processing, that's it. How do we do? I'm going to explain now. And for analytical processing, we use Power BI. So you use Power BI in this area. You get analytical data from this. So you implement analytical process, prepare analytical storage, and generate reports. For clarity now? So types of IT applications completed, important applications, these two. Because you join any company, you work on this, you develop like this. BI applications, business intelligence applications. First of all, what is BI? So Business intelligence is an abbreviation. Simply, it's a process of converting normal data into decision-making data. So it will take data and convert to decision-making data. That is BA. But how does it will present? Visual or insight? When you book a movie ticket, train ticket, you get a form. Those forms you will not get here. You will see visuals. You will see insights. Insight is detailed understanding of data. Visual is graphical presentation component. I'll show you that information. See this. Visual, it is a component which will display data in graphical format. Insight, accurate and deep understanding of visual data. Power BA. So it has BA. First, you need to know about BA. So BA convert your normal data to decision-making data in the form of visuals and insights. Visual is a graphical presentation component. Insight is accurate and deep understanding of data. And what is the input and output of BA? Input is any data, any type of data, anywhere data. Output is report or dashboard. So any BA tool you take in the market, there are around 45 BA tools in the market, and all will take data and generate report or dashboard. Got clarity? Then what is report? Pardon?
Any example inside?
Yeah, I'm showing. What is report? So the report always talks about detailed understanding of data and more visuals available. Designed to explain an operation. Single operation you want to explain. And company contain usually many reports, not one, two. This is the way a report looks like. These are all called visuals, and you're able to see insights, the detailed understanding of data. And the flip side, dashboard. So it contains high-level data designed to show specific subject area data and single view data and limited dashboards in the company. And it looks like this high-level data. I'll give a generic example. Kindly focus. You must understand this. This is your environment. Once you learn Power BI or Tableau or ClickView, any BA tool, you generate report or dashboard only. So you need to understand the difference between report and dashboard, at least high level for now, and the regular class low level. You are working with banking accounts and savings account. Withdraw is a report. Savings account. Deposit is a report. But if you keep both in a single area, savings account dashboard, which contain deposit information, withdraw information, both it contains. So single area. Individual operation is a report, and high level subject area, single view areas dashboard. So any BA tool you take in the market, every BA tool perform this operation, takes data and generate reports or dashboard. For clarity? Anyone having any questions?
We also cover finance department.
Every department, it's a reporting tool widely used. Come to BA process. Guys, please look at this BA process, very important process. 90s, the BA process given. I said BA data to report a dashboard. How come report a dashboard generated? I'm going to explain now. There is a process called BA process. What do we call it? Earlier, you have seen OLTP OLAP, BA process, report a dashboard generation in the previous picture. The BA process I'm explaining is standard process, 4-layered process. Wherever you go, these layers only followed. You want to construct a house, how do you construct? First, pillars, foundation, pillars, roof, sidewall, systematically you go. Layered implementation, stage implementation, The same way your normal data converted to decision-making data. So general public, see customers, use different applications, and the data is transactional data. This data is input for the business intelligence process. And what's the first layer? This is a layer, ETL layer. So your business data processed through this layer. It will extract, it will transform, load. Simply to make data proper shape, to maintain huge storage, this layer is required, ETL. I'm using technical words, do not feel confused. You must learn this since you are entering into IT and business intelligence. Don't feel panic. First day you may feel panic, but from day after tomorrow you feel very bored. Daily I use the same. Terminology. And business data available here. And you want to create analytical data from this. The first layer is ETL, extract, transform, load. These are the tools available in the market. And many more, around 50 tools in the market, 50 tools, small, medium, all. They will shape and load into huge storage area. Daily you are keeping, so definitely the data looks huge volume. ES and ES data available here in this area. Historical data. ES and ES data. More data. And these kind of storages we use for warehouse, Teradata, Oracle, DB2, etc. Second layer. So first data gathering, second store it. Third one, specific data you take and create aggregate analytical information. This can also be called semantic model area or analytical area. We don't use complete warehouse data for analysis. For example, this is having ICICI Bank data. We don't use complete data for the warehouse. Sorry, analysis. I need savings account last quarter data. So savings account only, last quarter data. And we take only required data. Those calculations, sum, average, minimum, maximum, top, bottom, everything we prepare here. And this area is called semantic model area. What do you call it? Semantic model, technical word. Some people say analytical area because analytical information available. So first area, data gathering, data storage, analytical area. Finally, presentation area, data presentation. From there, the output, the business intelligence data given to customers in web, mobile, and desktop format. Here, management team will come to the picture. So general public data given to management as a business intelligence data. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fixed. Data gathering, data storage, required data storage, presentation. All of you clear? Right. And this is standard BA 90 BA. If any company want to use, wait for 10 more minutes, you get beautiful information. If any company want to use, they need to purchase one tool here, one storage, one tool, one tool. Multiple tools required, multiple setups required, multiple resources required. So one company decided, why don't we reduce that burden? Why don't we reduce the cost? Why don't we reduce the setups? That is MSBA. First BA in the market, on-premises BA, everything in your local company server level you can install and you operate from your local company server. First BA in the market is MSBA in 2005. And this is having 3 tools, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, importantly. Total 6 tools, but 3 are important. And this is first tool SSIS used in this area. And this is SSAS, SQL Server Enhanced Services for analytical purpose. SQL Server Reporting Services for reporting purpose. Yes, if you go to interview, the first question will be, why Power BI when MSB available from Microsoft? Already Apple given mobile phones. If there are any changes, they will give a new version. 15 Pro, 17 Pro, 20 Pro, something. But Apple will not give a new phone, right? If they are giving a new phone, it's definitely you need to know why they have given new phone. Microsoft first BI in the market is MSBA, not Power BI. Power BI, MSBA from same company. 2005 MSBA. It's a suit. That's why I told you this information will not get everywhere. It's a suit or stack or pack having 3 tools to perform end-to-end process 1, 2, 3. So if you pass data, the single suit will get the data, create analytical data, present it end-to-end. That's why this is called as self-service BI suite. And released in 2005. And it has versions 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, 2016, 2009, 17, 19, 22. Every 2 to 3 years, new version available for MSBA. Sir, what is the market of MSBA? Why Power BI Microsoft designed? You need to know. Listen to it. Before that, you need to know about BI history. Legacy BI, compulsory multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources. Very complex and costly. Middle age BI, that is MSBA. So MSBA overall learning, working, that is a middle age BA, and these are the versions. Every 2 to 3 years, new version. And what is the market? You don't believe, from 2008, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader in the market. Don't ask anyone about career or future of MSBA and Power BI. Leader, if leader does not have market, what about others? You cannot think about. Maybe calls flow less or more in a particular month, but 100% you'll get bright future and long-lasting career. I will show you practically, statistically. So online people who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. And also note down my contact number in case you want to talk to me about course, about personal profile, guidance, etc. I'm giving both. Gartner. I'm opening this. Usually this company rate IT applications and they rated like this. Microsoft named a leader in the Microsoft named a leader in the analytics and BI platforms. And look at this point. We are thrilled to announce that the 16th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. 16th consecutive year, not 1, 2. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader. I'm not saying Power BI. Microsoft is a leader because of MSBA. Microsoft leader, Tableau, Salesforce, and all competitors and challenges. Got clarity? Not only this company, there is one more company who usually read IT applications, Forrester Wave. Microsoft named a leader in the Forrester Wave augmented BI platforms. We are excited to announce that Forrester has recognized Microsoft as a leader. You want to see the Power BI market? I will go to this link. Geometrics. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. This is old link, 2021. 2021, 36 market share, 36%. I'll give you all the links, kindly open and see. See, market share of Microsoft Power BI increased to 21%. Sorry, 36%. Now 42%. If you look at BI projects, business intelligence projects, 42% of projects are in Power BI. Remaining Tableau, other or less. These are genuine statistics from the respective organizations. These are not my company websites. So the demo which you are attending is really good and it is having wonderful market. Then why Power BI, sir? When MSB available brought the leadership. I'm going to address concentrate. The question is this. Why was Power BI created when MSB already exists? I will explain point by point, focus. First point, MSBA 2005 released, but the architecture before 2004 market. Why, sir? Is there any change in the market? Yes. Facebook released and announced in 2004 only. Cloud is available in the market from 2006. And if we are using mobile and tab apps from 2009. So 2009, 2014, 15 onwards, we are using crazily. So there is a drastic change in the IT after 2004. MSBA level we don't have because architecture design before 2004 market. Second point. So coming to Power BI, architecture suitable for dynamic cutting edge technology process. Simply current market. Now on-premises solution is MSBA. Cloud is very less. Coming to Power BI, full support to cloud. On-premises also supported. And suitable, so self-service BA suit to perform operations. So we have three tools. Tool 1 SSIS, Tool 2 SSAS, Tool 3 SSRS. Three tools required to perform operations here. But coming to Power BI level, not required, sir. Only one application is sufficient. This application will perform operations. The application having three concepts, concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4 concepts. So one application will do end-to-end. That's why this is called self-service BA application. So one application will do end-to-end process. Here one stack or one suite will do end-to-end process. So functionality reduced, no need of three tools. One tool is sufficient to do end-to-end. That is one more. No mobile tab friendly, but Power BI level full support to mobile and tab. And limited data inputs it will support. Files, databases, cloud. But here more support, all support. And no embedding. Embedding in the sense you want to place your MSB report in Facebook level, Twitter level, Twitter X level, not possible. But Power BI having better embedding. Many places you can show Power BI report. And average coding compulsory while working with MSBA. Average coding. Power BI level low code, no code. So low code, not no code, less code. MSBA level visuals, the reported concepts, very less, not suitable for the current market. But Power BI level, more visuals, more concepts. MSBA, every 2 to 3 years, one version. But Power BI level, monthly updates we are having. Microsoft continuously tracking IT changes and adapting immediately. That's a monthly update. Simply on premises, not mobile friendly, and many drawbacks. So companies requested Microsoft, why don't you develop a new BI? Or why don't you add new BI features to MSBA? Already you're a leader. So Microsoft designed Power BI by adding more power to the existing BA. This is the first definition. Adding more power to existing BA is Power BA. For the MSBA, more power is added. Right. Second definition from Microsoft. Power BA is a low-code application. Cloud and on-premises supportive application. Cloud to on-premises. Self-service BA application. End-to-end it can do. And generate reports and dashboard from the data. I will show. So MSBA drawbacks, overcome in Power BI level. Simply Power BI is adding more features to existing BI. Power BI is a low-code application, cloud and on-premises application, self-service application, which will generate reports and dashboards. So in interview, if people ask, explain about Power BI, you can answer this. And Power BI announced in July 2013. After 8 years of MSBA, this was in 2005. After 8 years of MSBA announced. And we are having monthly update. From July 2013 to till this month, we have an update. Till this month. So do I need to remember? No, not required. If you just come across some important points, fishy points, use them. Otherwise not required. So in this picture, I explain when MSB available, why Microsoft designed one more separate product, Power BI. What are the basic definitions of Power BI? Adding more power to existing BI, and Power BI is a low-code application, self-service application, on-premises and cloud supportive application, generate reports and dashboards from the data. Now we'll go back to previous picture. Hardly 5 minutes, I will close. Ticket completed. Done, done, done. Okay. Let's look at this process. So MSBA, I explained. Now coming to Power BI. So Azure BI is available. I will explain in tomorrow's session. I'll directly go to Power BI. MSBA self-service BI suite with 3 tools, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. So what is SSIS? SQL Server Integration Services. SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services. SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. These 3 will do this end-to-end process and provides reporter dashboard. Power BI level, we have concept 1, Power Query in this area. Concept 2 in this area. Power Pivot. Concept 3. And concept 4, Power Map in this area. These 4 concepts will help to create end-to-end report. That's why this is called a self-service BI application. And it was given in 2013. This is in 2005. Got the difference between MSBA and Power BI? Got the difference between them? Multiple tools to do the operation, a single application to do the operation. And there are a couple of other differences I explained. And what is Azure BI? Next session. Now, last but one. Okay, with the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided to add some more components. And create a platform. That is a Power Platform. So 2019 onwards, Power Platform available, where Power BI part of Power Platform. So what is this platform? It is a low-code platform with multiple low-code tools. So Power Platform is a low-code platform with multiple low-code tools. First one, Power BI, a low-code application to generate reports and dashboards. Second tool, Power Apps. low-code application to generate mobile and tab-friendly apps. Third one, Power Automate, a low-code application for robotic process automation, RPA. Power Virtual Agent, it's a low-code application to create chatbots. When you open a website, when you open a mobile app, you will get a message, how may I assist you? That is a chatbot. Those chatbots easily you want to create, this is helpful. Now, Power Pages. You want to create your company web pages, websites, then Power Pages. So these are the 5 low-code components in the Power Platform, and Power BI part of this. And Microsoft expected a lot of expectation in this area, especially combinations, Power BI, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, but failed. Companies not prefer to go like this. They're going in a different way. That is Fabric. The next one, Microsoft Fabric 2023 June onwards. It's an all-in-one solution, analytical solution. Right now, the Power BI demo is Fabric Power BI demo because Power BI part of Fabric from 2023. It is simply an all-in-one solution. Data movement you can see, data intelligence you can see, and real-time analytics you can see. All you can see in a single area. So in case you want to boost up your career, you want to learn combinations, and you want to be perfect in the combination next 10-15 years, you don't want to see back, then focus on Fabric. It's an all-in-one solution for data movement, data intelligence, data analytics. Then how, sir? What it contains? Is having first component Power BI for reporting. Second component Data Factory for data integration. Third component Synapse for data storage, analytics, data warehouse, data science operations. Last one, Data Activator for data monitoring, data governance. So Fabric having 4 components, one for reporting, one for integration, one for storage analytics, last one for data activator. These 4 components combination is Fabric. The next future is Fabric. The next life is Fabric. So you can try on Power BI alone, or you want to have combination, learn Data Factory or Synapse. Sir, okay, I learned Fabric components and combination. What all the opportunities I can see in the market? This is a picture. You are eligible as a data engineer because Data Factory and all you're learning. You are eligible as a scientist. Here Power BI comes under the picture. It was missed. You're eligible as an analyst because Power BI available. And data citizen opportunity Power BI. So it is an all-in-one solution for multiple purposes. If you want to establish your career, yes, Power BI and Fabric will give you the solution, or these combinations will give you the solution. Got clarity? So this is what data to Fabric understanding. I started from types of data and then types of IT applications, business applications, complete history. Later, what is Power BI? It is a modern BI with more cutting edge technology process. And a Power Platform is a low-code platform with multiple tools, and Power BI part of it. Fabric is a market-suitable all-in-one solution with multiple components. And now Power BI part of Fabric, that's the reason I explained this hierarchy. Got clarity? Right. Whatever I planned, successfully completed. Demo level. Introduction part, and this part also completed. Tomorrow is the second demo. (8 to 9:15 a.m. Tomorrow second demo, and recap 10 minutes, practical part. Power BI components practical, I'll explain. Don't absent. As I said earlier, this is my contact number. Call me on these timings for career guidance, doubts, or anything. I'm a working lead consultant, and the training is basics to advanced, very in detail training 50 to 60 hours training, daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. Sir, I want fast track. I don't have fast track classes, but you can attend my classes 2 batches parallelly, or 1 batch you attend and second batch videos you take. Sufficient. You can complete in fast track way with good content. Or call me to give you complete clarity. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. Online, offline available. Daily video you receive with proper documentation and during access for the videos 1.5 years. WhatsApp communication and many other communications possible. Theory, practical material, 2 near real-time projects, more and more case studies. SQL database knowledge is required 4 hours I'm going to provide you. But you learn SQL in our institute or outside for complete course and prioritize 9 topics. My training objective to work happily in the company's interview suitable. If anyone preparing certification, 70 to 80% my course cover and remaining I will give you the guidance and dumps. With that you can happily crack. No need to take any special training. You want to generate your own reports also possible with this training. Any graduate is eligible and it's a low code component. Technical side, these opportunities available, highly suitable, 100% my job, 100% suitable for all these areas, my course. Technical side, techno-functional side, data scientist side, Power BI you want to learn, yes, my course sufficient. So these are all the major rules you can try in the market. These are the batches. Currently, I'm starting 8 o'clock batch. So today, tomorrow, 8 o'clock demo and Friday onwards, regular classes.